Hello everyone, my name is Bry and this is the outdoor setup. You know, we're in Wales, we have to speak Welsh, don't we? So, whose coat is that jacket? Whose boots are those shoes? What a great way to spend a Sunday and a Sunday night. Now it is half term, which is a bit rubbish because there could be quite a few people here, but hopefully not. It doesn't look too crowded, so I'm hoping everything's going to be okay. And I just, like I say, I really want a private little spot to myself. Beautiful. Some great memories here. So I'm very excited for this. I've just pulled up, guys. Reception is there. Just gonna go and check in. I'm not gonna take the camera in there because they might not like it, so I'll be back in a sec. I've just been in, checked in. Lovely fella on reception's just give me a map. I'm gonna have a look. He said that it's quite quiet now. Everyone left this morning, which is great. I was hoping for that. Park anywhere you like was what he said, so that's what I'm going to do. Gonna look for somewhere where I'm facing the sea because that's what I really want to do. Here's the map. Hopefully somewhere on the coast here. I think I'm going to have a little look around and then get parked up. We found an absolute belter of a spot. In fact, some guy just came then and he was going to try and get in here, but he said, are you camping here? I said yeah, and he went, so fair play. Nice fella. He probably wants his peace and quiet too, just like I do. But what an absolute spot this is. Look at this. So came in on this road here and I have all this to myself. Hopefully no one else comes in here, but that's not the only thing. Over here I've got all this to myself as well. What more do you want? So I'm going to pitch up now. See you soon. So, as you can see behind me, the tent is up, but it was an absolute nightmare. But I got there in the end. Now I've still got to get everything out the car to put in to the tent. Happy camping, everyone. I really wish I'd have brought my trunks and my towel. Oh well, maybe next time, eh? Okay everyone, so I'm currently just getting the bed made up inside the tent. As you can see, this is the bed, it's made up, and this is a self-inflating mattress. The air goes in here, and when you're deflating it you pull this one. You can blow in this a bit as well to make it more firm. And I only bought that yesterday, and what a great purchase it was from Decathlon, who obviously are not sponsoring this video, guys, maybe one day, but it's an absolute brilliant bed. I just had to get it. At first I went just for this bit of the bed, but as I walked in Decathlon, they had the mattress on top and it was just so much more better. The mattress was more expensive than the bed slightly, but absolutely worth every penny. Much better than an airbed, and spending money on airbeds all the time, which is what I was going to do in the first place, but I'm so happy that I didn't. And there is the mattress. Very, very comfortable. Must have some kind of memory foam inside it. It's absolutely divine. The real test will be tonight though, when I sleep in it, because I haven't done that yet, so we'll see how we get on. But anyway, I'm going to crack on and you'll see the finished results shortly. Just going to go down now to the beach. Sun's just right over the sea there. It's looking great. So I'm going to go down there and have a little look. Absolutely gorgeous. There's one or two people about, but it's like I've got it all to myself really. I reckon there's definitely crabs in here. I want to make it all the way over to that rock there. Don't know if you can see it. I just don't know if I'm going to make it. 1 foot at a time. Got a fishing line there. It's like playing a big game of hopscotch, if you remember that. I hope I'm not showing my age too much there, to be honest. Look at these old shells. Gotta love nature, it's just so nice. Getting closer to this rock anyway. Absolutely spectacular scenery. Truth be told, I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get to that rock. If I slip in there, it's going to hurt, but we'll see. Wish me luck. I didn't think I was going to make it, but I got there. Happy days. coming back was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I really messed up wearing sliders though. My left foot's gone right through the left slider. I do think the tide's coming in now though, guys, so I best get out of here, I think, before I get swept away. Getting on for 7 o'clock now, so I'm getting pretty hungry. Gonna make some tea. The menu tonight, cheeseburgers. I hope you like my little cheeseburger kit that I made. Got 2 buns in there, some lettuce, plenty of cheese. I actually do bacon cheeseburgers, maybe. Pan is on. It's a bit hard work with the wind. These seagulls are definitely after my burgers. Look. All his mates are over there as well. Bloody savages. Top half of the bun's in there now. That's nicely toasted. I'm going to do some bacon, some burgers. Yes. You are not touching my burgers. Yeah. You lot. No way. They can obviously smell it. They can smell it in the air, can't they? But I mean, I've not even put the meat on yet. That's just the buns. Oh my god. Wow. Glad I brought this. Jamie Oliver in the house. He's told them all, and now they're just floating around. Oh dear. Look, yeah, I can see you. Cooking with the sun going down over the sea. What more do you want? I mean, it's not the sunniest of days, but still, it's all right. There's them seagulls again. So we've got the bacon cooking. Then it's the burgers. Hope these buns aren't going to get wet. I have to save them somewhere. Let's put the lettuce on for now. Looking forward to these. Well, it looks like I had it wrong before. I think the tide was going away. It's freed up that nice little area, so I'm thinking Beer and Burger over there. Look at that for a view. Yes. Yes. The night's drawing in now and we're all set up. We've got a fan, the Anker Solix powering everything, PlayStation 4, iPad and gaming monitor. So pretty much all good to go. That's the GoPro charging, by the way, because it's running very much out of power. But yeah, we're all cozy. I'm going to pick a game now. I'm going to play the Blair Witch Project. Bit of a spooky one. While I'm here out in the sticks on my own.
So that's exactly what I'm doing on this episode of the Build series. We are finally implementing the off-grid electrical system into the back of the van, which is what's going to give this van the life it needs to live and breathe on the road. And this system that I'm putting into the van is larger than any system I've ever had in my previous vans, and I'm really excited to share this process with you guys. We got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. Out of a van for many years now, and my current off-grid electrical system in that van has been working for me. However, since I'm taking this new van build up a couple notches, I figured I'd do the same with my off-grid electrical system in this van, because I'm going to have so many high power draw appliances in this new build that I'm going to need a beefy electrical system to support it. So I've partnered with Battleborn, one of the leading lithium battery suppliers here in the country, and they send through Bluetooth on my phone. And I can monitor the battery's temperature, the voltage, the state of charge, and I can even set up alerts or warnings to stuff into the van. However, I do have to rip out a couple panels before I can fit this stuff in there, but it's time to start assembling this. So most of the main components of my off-grid electrical system have been laid out and fastened to the back of my van. Aside from a few things here and there, this is just about everything that I need for this system to work. But before I start wiring everything up, let's talk about what's going on here. Okay, let's start off with the battery bank. As you guys already saw, I've got 4.
So I've just stepped out, guys, because I need a quick toilet. But yeah, it's getting dark, I know. That sea looks beautiful. Not sure if anyone's on the beach, I've not seen anyone, but let's have a little look. Usually people will come on the beach getting later on for a bit of a drinky poos, but no one's here. Wow. There's my little island that we had burgers on today. Well, this evening. They were lovely. It's crazy, it's literally, I feel like I'm on my own in the middle of nowhere. There's one or two campers dotted about above me on the hill. There's a couple more left side as well. But yeah, no one's here really. It's getting a bit chilly. I get tucked up very soon. Carry on with a little bit of gaming and then probably just watch YouTube until bedtime. Very comfortable. I feel myself drifting off. I can hear the sea and it's just making me nod off, making me want to fall asleep. So I think I'm going to go to sleep now, guys. It's gone 10 o'clock. Still fairly light here, but we are on the coast. But I'm sure it'll be dark within the next half an hour. So I'm going to call it a night, guys, and I will see you all in the morning. Sweet dreams. Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Wales on a Monday. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's certainly not raining like it was last night. I've woken up in a lot worse places than this. Obviously, where I set up the camp last night is very out the way of people. Even though there are a few people here and there. This is quite a private spot that I've got here. In fact, a couple of people, like I said yesterday, they tried to come in here, but they saw that I was here and went away, luckily enough. But yeah, it's very nice, very peaceful. And all I could hear this morning when I woke up was the ocean. It was absolutely beautiful. So I'm just doing a bit of reading up about Shell Island where I'm staying. Never really looked at the history of it before. As I get older I find these things more interesting. So it says Shell Island has a rich history with origins dating back to the Domesday Book of 1086. It was initially a farm and later transformed into a tourist destination with the arrival of the railways in the 1880s. The island has been a camping destination since 1958 when the Workman family acquired it. Shell Island is also known for its abundant seashells, giving it its name. Well, there you go. Going back down to the beach this morning. Get some nice fresh beach air. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. There's no one here. Nobody. Just me. Got the beach all to myself. Stunning. The air just doesn't get any fresher than that, does it? So nice. With a cup of coffee and all. Luxury at its finest. Hello. For those just tuning in, my name's Bry and I'm brushing my teeth. They have got showers here, which is great, and toilets in little like pop-up cabins. But yeah, I'm going to miss the shower today. I'm going to wait till I get home. Don't really want to waste any more time. Plus I had a shower before I came yesterday, just in case you're wondering. Not bad, not bad. So I'm going to cook some breakfast, eat. Just going to have to get back on the road. Well, there's only one place to eat this delicious breakfast. Really starting to see why this place is called Shell Island. There's shells all over these rocks. Probably a bit slow to catch on there, but you know, never mind. Look at all these shells that have fossilized onto this rock here. Ooh. Gonna head back to the car now, start getting tidied up. Quick change after getting wet on the beach. Plus it's a real nice day today, so short some. Right guys, just all packed up, everything's away, everything's in the car as it was before I arrived here. All the rubbish is in the car as well. I'll be dropping that off at the bin store on the way out. If you've liked the video today, please like, subscribe. You know, you'll see all future videos coming up on the channel. There's going to be plenty more because I enjoy making these videos so much. It gets me out, gets me about. Anyone who has liked the video so far or been watching me, supporting me, thank you very much. I really truly appreciate you, and I love making content like this. Again, it's been great. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.